The Lucky Miner LV06 offers a 500 GHz hash rate with the BM1366 Wi-Fi SHA-256 ASIC chip, ideal for BTC, BCH, and DGB. Its compact design, wireless connectivity, and low 13-watt power usage make it beginner-friendly, offering ease and efficiency. Efficient power usage at 13 watt with a compact, easy-to-place design. The built-in Wi-Fi and lottery feature add user convenience, while compatibility with various mining modes, solo, PPS, allows miners flexibility across coins and mining modes. Limited hash rate at 500 GHz per second, lacking the power of higher-end miners, which can reach up to 4 terahashes per second. User feedback indicates intermittent downtime and limited profitability, as the miner is better suited for smaller scale or hobbyist mining. The LV06 is a great entry-level miner with innovative features but lacks the power for serious mining operations. Rating 3.5 out of 5 stars, recommended for hobbyists rather than professionals looking for high yield.
Subscribe now.